everybody, it's Marnay and I'm at Country Farmhouse Quilting. I am quilting a little tabletop cover today for my friend Emma. And she's got this awesome star design in here, and we've got the Gammill Elevate going on it. So I just want to kind of come in and show you how really pretty her top is. She picked out this rose design that matches the roses and the flowers in her print here, as you can see, and the Elevate is doing a really great job. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to let you see these little designs. If you can see the roses and the leaves in here and the roses and the leaves in her pattern, it really looks amazing. And she did this awesome star in the center. This is going to go in her little camper that she camps in the summertime for a little table. It's just absolutely beautiful. So, like and subscribe. This is Marnay from Country Farmhouse Quilting, and you can email me at countryfarmhousequilting@gmail.com. Hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day.